Hello and welcome to our video on The Lean Startup by Eric Ries. In this book, Ries introduces the concept of the lean startup, which is a framework for developing and growing businesses in a more efficient and effective way. The lean startup approach is based on the idea of continuous innovation and experimentation, and it has been widely adopted by startups and companies around the world. One of the key ideas in The Lean Startup is the concept of the minimum viable product, or MVP. An MVP is a product that has just enough features to satisfy early customers and provide valuable feedback for future product development. The goal of an MVP is to gather as much learning as possible about the product and its customers with the least amount of effort. Ries also emphasizes the importance of continuous learning and experimentation in the lean startup approach. He advocates for using a scientific method to test hypotheses and gather data, and he encourages companies to embrace failure as a learning opportunity. Another key idea in the book is the concept of the pivot, which is a change in strategy based on customer feedback and data. Pivots can be small, incremental changes or larger, more dramatic shifts in direction. The goal of a pivot is to adjust the course of the business in response to what is learned through experimentation. In addition to these core concepts, the lean startup also covers topics such as customer development, business model design, and value proposition testing. Ries provides practical tools and strategies for implementing the lean startup approach in any business or organization. Here are 5 key takeaways from The Lean Startup by Eric Ries. Takeaway number 1. The minimum viable product, MVP, is a powerful tool for gathering learning and customer feedback. An MVP is a product that has just enough features to satisfy early customers and provide valuable feedback for future product development. By releasing an MVP, companies can gather learning about the product and its customers with the least amount of effort. Takeaway number 2. Continuous learning and experimentation are essential for successful innovation. Ries advocates for using a scientific method to test hypotheses and gather data, and he encourages companies to embrace failure as a learning opportunity. By continuously learning and experimenting, companies can stay agile and responsive to changing market conditions and customer needs. Takeaway number 3. Pivots can help companies adjust their course based on customer feedback and data. A pivot is a change in strategy based on what is learned through experimentation. Pivots can be small, incremental changes or larger, more dramatic shifts in direction, and they can help companies adapt to changing market conditions and customer needs. Takeaway number 4. Customer development is a critical aspect of the lean startup process. Ries emphasizes the importance of understanding and meeting the needs of customers, and he provides tools and strategies for identifying and targeting the right customers for a product. Takeaway number 5. Business model design and value proposition testing are key components of the lean startup approach. Ries advises companies to carefully design and test their business models and value propositions to ensure they are viable and sustainable. By doing so, companies can create products and services that meet the needs of their customers and deliver value in a way that is financially viable. Overall, the lean startup provides a wealth of practical tools and strategies for developing and growing businesses in a more efficient and effective way. Its focus on continuous innovation and experimentation has helped countless companies achieve success and drive growth. We hope you found this video on The Lean Startup by Eric Ries helpful. Thank you for watching.